Good morning students. Today we are going to see how to subtract 2-digit numbers. So here we are going to see how to subtract 2-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. So now look at this picture that is given here. This is rhino's forest. Here rhino is looking for a food. So it is going and asking help with the forest numbers. That to elephant it is asking help. So elephant is giving some honey to the rhino. Now elephant gave 20 honeys to rhino. So we are going to see how much remaining that is left with elephant. So here how much bundles are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 bundles are there. In each of the bundle there are 10 sticks. So totally 70. So how much it has given to rhino? 20 of them it is given. So we are going to find rest how much is having that elephant. So we are going to find the rest of the things how much the elephant is having. So count that how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. So totally 70. And now we are going to subtract 20. Why we are going to subtract 20? Because it was given 20 to rhino. So after subtracting only we will be getting the remaining that how much elephant is having. So just to subtract from here, that is remaining 2. The 20 of the 2 bundles we are going to subtract. So to find the remaining we have to cancel 2 of the bundles that is given here. So how much bundles are remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 are there. So totally 50. 5 bundles are here. In each of the bundle there are 10 sticks, so totally 50. So the answer is 50. So total 50 honeys are remaining with the elephant. So how will you count by the ordinary method by giving the place value chart also we are going to see in this topic. And here there are 29 minus 6. So 29 minus 6 with the figure representation we are going to see. Here there are 20. There are 2 bundles which is 20 and here there are 9 sticks given here. That is in the 29 how will you split? You will split as 20 plus 9. You know how to write this in the standard form. So write there are 2 bundles here and 9 sticks are here. So here we are going to subtract 6 sticks. So how we are going to subtract this? Just cancelling the 6 sticks from here. So you will get the remaining how much that is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So while you are cancelling this you will get the remaining part. So there are 2 bundles and here 3 sticks. So totally 23. So the answer is 23 here. Now we are going to use the place value chart to find the numbers. So take this same example here. That now we are going to subtract these 2 numbers 70 minus 20. So to subtract the numbers what we have to do first? We have to write the places. So write up to places tens, ones and tens. Why we are writing up to tens? Because it is a 2-digit number. Now write the numbers in the places. 0 in the ones place and 7 in the tens place and the next number 20. So write 0 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. Now we are going to subtract these 2 numbers. To subtract the numbers first we have to subtract in the ones and then in the tens place as we are doing in the addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Likewise 0 minus 0 is also 0. So after subtracting to the ones place then we have to subtract the tens place numbers. So what are the numbers given here? 7 tens and 2 tens. So take 7 in the mind and 2 in the fingers. Say before the number 7 is 6, 5. So now we write the number 5 here. What we have to do? We have to take first number in the mind and the next number in the fingers. Say before number 7 is 6, 5. So you are writing 5 in the tens place. Now you got the answer as 50. So this is the way we are going to subtract the numbers. This is without regrouping. Regrouping means carry overing the number. Here we are doing that without regrouping. And the next number is 29 minus 6. We are going to take this number 29 minus 6. So here also we are going to do the same thing. Write the places ones, tens. And fill the numbers here. 9 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. And then write the number 6 in the ones place. Now we are going to subtract the numbers. What you have to do first? We have to subtract in the ones place number. What given here? 9. So take 9 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. Say before number 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now write the number 3 in the ones place. Then write the number as it is in the tens place because there is no number in the second. So the answer is 23. So this is the way of subtracting the number in the 2-digit numbers. Now we are going to try the exercise problem. See to the first one. Rhinus meets Nutty, a squirrel. He takes nuts from her every day. Find the number of nuts left with Nutty every day. So what is given here? Here Rhino meets the two of them. He takes how much nuts from her every day? Daily he is taking some nuts. So we are going to find how much are remaining, that is left means remaining, how much of rest of them, how much it is given, like that we are going to find here. So see to the days what are given, first day, second, third and fourth. There are 4 days are given here. So we are going to see how much nuts are left, that is remaining, how much left are they are having, like that we are going to find. So the first one is Nutty has 36 nuts. Rhinus takes 23 nuts. Nuts left with Nutty. So we are going to find the left of the thing. So to find that, what we have to do, we have to subtract these numbers. So we have to compare these two numbers. What are the numbers? 36 and 23. So we are going to subtract the number. This number should be subtracted to the first number, that is 36. So this is minimum number. So subtract the number from the first to the second. So write the places. So up to tens you will write ones, tens. So then write the first number 36. 6 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place, and the next number 23. So this is minimum number. So this is going to be subtracted to this number. So 3 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So give the sign as a minus and subtract the number first in the ones place and then in the tens place. So what you will do, first number 6 is given here, 6 ones and here 3 ones. So to subtract the number, we have to keep 6 in the mind and 3 in the fingers. You have to say before number 6, that is 5, 4, 3. Now you write the number 3 in the ones place. Then you have to subtract in the tens place number. First number in the mind and next number in the fingers. So you have to say before number 3 is 2, 1. So write 1 in the tens place. So now you got the answer as 13. So write that number given in the box. That is 36 minus 23. So we have subtracted 23. We have subtracted 23 to the number 36. We have to subtract it from this number. So write the answer as 13. That we found. So how much of them remaining there? 13. That is left, nuts left with Nutty. So the next second day I am going to do for you, and the remaining things you are going to do as your homework sum. So what is given here? Nutty has 39 nuts. Rhinus takes 7 nuts. Nuts left with Nutty. So what we have to do? Find the rest of them. So write the places. To find the rest of them, you have to write the places. Ones, tens. Why you are writing up to tens? It is a 2-digit number. So write the number 39. 9 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. So now we are going to subtract this number. So this is we are doing without regrouping, we are seeing here. So subtract the number. First number in the mind and next number in the fingers. Say before number 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now write the number 2 in the ones place and then write 3 as it is given there. So in the tens place we are writing 3 because there is no numbers here. So write as 3. So what's the answer? 32. So you write here as 39 minus 7. We got the answer as 32. That is we subtracted 7 to the number 39. And here also on the third day what is given here? Nutty has 79 nuts and Rhinus takes 43 nuts. Nuts left with Nutty. So what you will do? You will subtract number 43 to the number 79. Subtract from 79. So you will subtract the number 79 minus, you will subtract the number 43. 43 to 79. So 79 minus 43. So find the answer and write here. And the next one, Nutty has 75 nuts. Rhinus takes 54 nuts. So nuts left with Nutty. So how much nuts are with Nutty? 75. So Rhinus takes 54. So you will subtract the number 54 to 75. So write the number 75 minus 54. Then find the answer by giving the places and then values and subtract in this way, in such a way. So you will get the answer. So this is we have seen about without regrouping we have seen. So the next thing we can see about without regrouping. Now we are seeing to without regrouping the numbers. Next sum is solve the following word problems. So the word problem is given, we are going to solve the problem. So first one is Archana collects 68 mangoes. She gives 42 mangoes to Rajat. How many mangoes are left with her? So what is given in the question? If you don't understand, read it 2 times. Archana collects 68 mangoes. So what is given in the first one? Archana collects 68 mangoes and she gives, how much she gives? 42 mangoes to Rajat. To Rajat she gives 42 mangoes. And how many, what we are going to find is how many mangoes are left with her. So remaining how much Archana is having, like that we are going to find here. So the solution part is, so number of mangoes Archana collects. The first one is how much she is having. The total number of mangoes it is having is 68 mangoes. So you are going to fill that number in the places, that is ones and tenth place. Here ones place, that what number is given? 8. So in the tenth place it is given 6. So write 6 here. And then the next one is number of mangoes she gives to Rajat. How much she given? She gave 42. So write the number here, 2 in the ones place and 4 in the tenth place. And they asked to find how much left with her. So the remaining we are going to find number of mangoes left with Archana. So to find the left of the thing, we have to subtract the numbers. So first number in the mind and second number in the fingers. Say before number 8 is 7, 6. So write 6 in the ones place, and then here next to the ones place we have to subtract to the tens place number. So first number in the mind and next number in the fingers. Say before number 6 is 5, 4, 3, 2. So write 2 in the tens place. So now we got the answer for that, how much Archana is remaining thing that Archana is having. So how much she is having? 26. That number of mangoes left with Archana is 26. So now we shall see to the next one. Ratan and Rama collect 29 jamuns. You all know what is mean by jamun. And if Ratan takes 11 jamuns, how many jamuns does Rama get? So totally how much they have collected? Ratan and Rama collected 29 jamuns, and then Ratan takes 11 jamuns. Then how much jamuns does Rama have? So we are going to find for Rama. That you are going to do this as your homework one. So first you have to fill the jamuns that both of them they have collected. That is total number of jamuns collected by Ratan and Rama. So how much it is given here? 29. So write that number in the places given here, ones and tens place. Write 9 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place. And then what is given? Number of jamuns Ratan takes. So how much he takes? 11 jamuns. So write the number 11 in the places, 1 in the ones place and another 1 in the tens place. And what they have asked, how many jamuns does Rama get? So we are going to find for Rama evlo remaining how much he will get, like that we have to find. So number of jamuns Rama gets. After he takes, how much remaining will be there, like that we have to find that remaining thing only Rama will get. So we are going to subtract the numbers, that 2 of the things. We are going to subtract 11 to the number 29. We are subtracting the number 11 to 29. So you will get the answer that Rama how much jamuns he will get. So this is the homework part. So we have seen today is without regrouping, we have seen for the subtraction 2-digit numbers. So subtracting one number to the other number that we have subtracted without regrouping the numbers. Thank you students.